Hello you guys, Cool Mesa 89 here. Welcome to the video. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. We gotta talk about this real quick. The subscribers, we're going up to 40 soon. Well, you hear that noise? If anybody's having a hard time sleeping, please let me know in the comments. I'm thinking about some stuff, like from March 22nd about the explosion. Today is Sunday, you guys. Make sure Sunday sucks, you know. Make sure comment below, you guys. See, look, there's a moon. See how, you guys? Look at all these lights. Yeah. Using this light, it's kind of bright. That's my uncle's light, trying to use it for seeing. If you guys are tired, comment below. If you know, see? You'll put on brighter, see? I just want to say huge thanks for subscribing. Thank you for supporting my channel, you guys. I'm very happy with that. Yeah, that's the paper mill down there where my city is. Trying to use my phone as a recorder, you know. Today's my last day from here, you guys. What do you guys think? I have a field trip next Thursday. I think I'm going to the zoo, maybe. Supposed to be thunderstorm next Thursday. And tomorrow's Monday. Tomorrow's school day. I think I'm gonna go back to school tomorrow, guys. I don't want to miss the platform. What do you guys think? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, school sucks, but you have to do the grades. Yeah. How you guys doing? You doing great tonight? Look at this, you guys. So we're shining light. So you guys, look. It's kind of illegal. Why they not do it on somebody's house? Because, see, it gets brighter and brighter. Lower down the light voltage. Alright guys, and that's the talk. The conversation about the subscriber things. Have a great night, you guys. Go subscribe. We're getting 40 one day maybe, or next day, a month. Alright guys. Remember, Cool Mesa 89 out.